Hey, what's up everybody, man? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video as usual, giving y'all the good content, man. Today's video is kind of like a sad video, but not really. I truly don't too much care. I'm gonna turn around and show y'all for a second. This car for not even a year yet. I think I was coming up on a year. I think I bought this car the first week of July. If not, I bought it the end of June. But I got in a wreck yesterday. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. Here in Oklahoma, the intersections is kind of crazy, but someone hit me, or vice versa. I'm trying to pretty much get over. They hit me from right here, as you can see, it slid over, and then they hit me here. I'm not sure what they was doing on the phone or whatever, but I only know I was paying attention. My car is pretty obvious. I'm trying to get over to the lane, they hit me, but it's just crazy, man. I haven't even had this car for a full year yet. So when I was trying to get over to the right, it's like 3 lanes to get over into. I should show y'all the outside, but I really can't drive it. They messed up my, the reason I can't drive it, I'll show y'all that. They messed up my upper control arm, so my whole alignment is off. I can drive it though, but my alignment is off because of that. But as you see, I mean, she hit me from that side and I pushed into the cars beside me. As you see, it's just crazy, man. I even had this car for a year. Most of this stuff can get buffed out, honestly, like this little stuff right here, but this door got to be replaced for the most part. There ain't no buffing nothing out. The car that I hit, I mean, they didn't even pull over. I guess they didn't have insurance or whatever, but I mean, the whole way through, I'm not sure. I'm really not sure she wasn't paying attention. She said I was in her blind spot or something. Like, no, I mean, I wouldn't have got over if I didn't see you, but I mean, like, just, there's no way that I didn't see her. I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure she was not paying attention, whatever, man. I'm not sure if she's watching this video. My channel's all on my car, so I don't even care for the most part. I'm not sure really exactly what happened. I'm not saying I don't have a dash cam, but from the looks of it, honestly, from the looks of it, I mean, because I was coming into the lane, I'm merging over to my right. I mean, if she was in that lane already, she would have hit me straight from the back. I mean, regardless. She would hit me from the back. My shit would have been bent. All this would be bent or whatever like that. And even if she was in that lane and she didn't hit me from the back, she would have knocked me right here. Because if I'm coming out, she would have knocked me right here. And then I probably would have swung over and hit the other car beside me. Even though I still did. But I'm just throwing a scenario out. I was able to still drive and stuff like that. But, man, my shit's fucked up, man. I mean, still drivable for the most part. All that, I mean, my wheel is scratched. I don't even care about that. I can just paint back over it. I really don't care. Yeah, man. First big accident. I remember when I first got my Charger, I got an accident. Literally, I had the car for 20 days. It was already in the shop for a recall when I first got it. And then like a week later, I got into an accident. Someone hit me from the back. And that's just it. Normally, if I get in an accident, I get hit from the back. I mean, I got in 2 accidents so far with my Dart. My wife was driving that car when she got hit from the back, and it wasn't even the person that was behind her fault. It was a person that was like 2 people behind him. He hit that car, so it made it hit my car for the most part. So, but this is just like a, I don't know, man. I'm just kind of like, oh well. I mean, at this point, we just filed the claims and stuff yesterday for the most part. So hopefully we both get defaulted or whatever it might be. Like I say, from the looks of it, from my point, I'm not trying to, like, you know what I'm saying, like, what's it called? I'm not trying to like just say it's her, like it's not my fault, it's not my fault, but just from the looks of it, man, I mean, it looked like straight up, bro. Like she hit this side. I don't have no dent on her car at all. It's like a scratch because she hit me, and like she wasn't paying attention, and she just kept going, and she tried to get back into the lane. Is what it looks like, and then she hit me again. If you see the dent, that's a dent. I have no dents on her car, and I can put pictures in there as well. But I'm not gonna do that just for safety reasons and stuff like that. It's just like a little accident. But other than that, man, hopefully they just. I'm gonna end up having to sell this car for the most part because it's gonna cost too much to repair it. As you seen on this side, I mean, this shot is done. I mean, I don't know how they repair cars and stuff like that. I don't have no clue. I can knock this out with a hammer and kind of flatten it back out, but it ain't gonna be perfect. But you see stuff like this, it's like, how do you even get that done? I'm not sure if they like cut it out or something like that, but these are just like spots to where it's like, damn, how do you fix that? Obviously my inside is clean, it's good, but it's just harder to open this door. That's literally it. This car is solid. When she hit me, I kept driving like straight, like, you know what I'm saying? So then like, it's just crazy, man. I can just kind of knock this back out. Really, most of this door can get buffed out. I mean, I literally can, look, you can just scratch. You see I was already scratching. I can just scratch this out, buff it out, and repaint it. Simple as that. But this shit I would have to get replaced, and then the fenders, for the most part. I'm not sure how they would do this, but my car ain't plastic. It ain't like these new cars, like how my Charger is, or like how this car is. You know what I'm saying? So this is like straight metal. All this is metal. This is plastic. You hear that? Hear the difference? You hear the difference? That's metal. This car was made solid, built tough, forward tough. You can say it is a Crown Vic, Grand Marquis, and a town car. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I'm not really too mad, man, because they actually, if anything else falls, it gets me into a different car for the most part, and that's more videos and stuff like that. But I never wanted to give away this car. You already know that if you watch my channel. I do not want to give away this car. But and hopefully they can cash me a check or whatever they got to do to it. I don't really know what we're gonna do. Just filed a claim yesterday, so they still probably gonna have to get estimates of what it's gonna cost. I'm pretty sure with this vehicle, they just gonna cash it out for the most part. It's an older vehicle. It's 2003. It's not like a 2019 or 2022 or something like that, where they can be like, oh, well, this is gonna cover the damages. This car is only worth, if you go back 3 years ago, this car was only worth like $2,400, $2,500. I'm not sure how it is with inflation and stuff, but if they cash me a check or something like that, I can just get another one. But I don't plan on getting another one because y'all see the gas prices are soaring and stuff like that. So I would get a more fuel efficient car, even though I work from home. But it is what it is. I wouldn't get nothing non-fuel efficient, to be honest with you. But it was fun while it lasted for the most part. Hopefully I get to keep it. Hopefully they can just pay for the damages and it's all good. Same for her for the most part. But other than that, man, that's gonna make it a wrap for the video. I can't drive my car, man. If I am able to drive it, if I do drive, I gotta get an upper control on from my left side. Let me show y'all that real quick. It's like bent. Let me show y'all, man, if I can. Y'all can see it is bent. That's not straight at all. That thing is bent. Supposed to be straight. The other side look like it's straight, but that shit is bent. It's not supposed to be that way. I think that's the only thing it actually bent out of my suspension. I thought it bent my what's it called? My sway bar or my sway bar. I'm talking about sway bar links. But yeah. So yeah, man, that's gonna make it a wrap for the video. Yeah, that's gonna make it a wrap, man. I don't even know what to say. I'm not too mad at all. I'm really not mad. I'm really not, man. Just a material piece of thing, man. So it's all right. Everything's replaceable. It's scrap metal. As long as it ain't my kids and my wife and stuff like that, I don't really care for the most part. But I hate going through the process. That's what it really is. I hate going through the process to file a claim. Do I get the money back? Do I not get it back? You know what I'm saying? That's what I got to do. I hate dealing with that. I hate going to the car lot and trying to purchase another vehicle. If I do get another vehicle, it's most likely going to be a Dodge Dart. If not, it's going to be a Lexus. The Lexus, I want the Lexus, not the want, but I would get the Lexus The Lexus is like in the top because it's more reliable. I can get the Lexus with like 200,000 miles on it and still be good. A Lexus is just a smaller Lincoln without the frame. So all Lexus is. The Lincoln to me is more reliable than the Lexus. It has a full body frame and it's good for if you're about to get in an accident or something. So I mean, my car, I didn't feel it when she hit me. I stayed in my seat, you know what I'm saying? But normally, at the time, she was probably going like 20, 30 miles per hour. I know I was going like 10 miles per hour trying to get over. So, but it is what it is. Other than that, man, make sure you like, share the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. Turn on all post notifications. So you be notified every time I post a video, man. Brother Money Profit, and I'm out. Peace.